today I'm going to teach you how to draw a tree. So we're going to start by doing a line wiggly and do a bump there, and then we can color in the tree branch. And then we can start doing some other stuff on the tree, like this. We'll need the darkest one. And we can start doing some designs on the tree and outline them with more so it gets darker. And then we can start mixing our paint. So first we can make some light green. Let's add some blue, and then we'll add some yellow. And then some white. And then we'll take our brush and start mixing. And we got our light green. We'll need to make our darker green. So we'll add some blue and add some yellow. And then mix it. And then we can take one and start dabbing on to your paper. If there's too much in one spot, you can take paint from there and start dabbing it. We can do the other one too. It's starting to look like a tree. And we can add some more light. And then we can draw some other stuff. We can take some yellow paint and draw the sun. And we'll take a light brush and let's draw a shape like this. And we'll start making a half circle. And then we can add some lines. And that's how you draw a tree.